What's up, YouTube? So today I decided to try the sublimation for the first time. I'm actually going to be doing a pair of socks for my daughter, and I have it printing out now. So let's see how it goes. I'll be right back when it's time to press, so that way we can all see it together. Check it out in a little bit.
Let go of everything.
All right, guys, so the heat press is ready to press. I'm gonna be doing it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Again, I am using Cosmo inks with a sub paper. The one I'm using right now is 125 grams. That's the 8.5 by 11 sheet. And I have it all taped up in the back. So let me bring this over to the press, and then I will take you guys to the press so that we can see how it looks afterwards. Like I say, guys, do not, this is my first time sublimating, so just be easy on me. Let's see how it turns out. I'm hoping that it turns out pretty good. So I'm sorry I'm making a lot of movements here, but I'm just trying to angle you guys so you guys can see it as well. And we are gonna go down to the press here. So I'm hoping you guys can see what's going on. Like I said, I got my temperatures at 400. 400 for 60 seconds. Let's see how it goes. I got firm pressure on it. I did pre-press, and I also lint rolled it so that way there's no fibers or anything like they say to make sure not to. So I'm doing everything like the way I'm being taught. So hopefully for the best, it'll come out good. If not, then hey, it's a trial and error. Keep going at it until I get it perfect. The only thing that I really have to work on is that the color that is actually printing onto the A-sub paper is not the actual color that I designed. So I am hoping that I can correct that. I'm hoping that I can. But we shall see. But I am using Silhouette Studio, and I know that there's certain things that we can't use in the color profile. All right, guys. Well, I see it coming through. There's some steam coming out too as well. I know I was told I have to take it off right away. Oh, yes, guys. I don't know if you see that. Do you see that, guys? Oh, yes. They actually came out perfect. Guys, I am very, very, very impressed. I am actually pretty excited, to tell you the truth, that this is a new method that I can use. Wow, I think it's hot. Yeah, maybe I need to grab it with some these metal sock jigs really do get hot. All right, so let me just show you one. Ooh, it's pretty hot. Guys, look at that. Look at that. That came out pretty awesome. And for the first time actually doing it, I am very happy. Even the other one, I'll show you the other one at the same time. Look at that. Now guys, these are socks from the dollar store. And I just brought them just to try it out, just to see. And it did say it was, if I'm not mistaken, it was like 80% polyester. That came out great. I am very impressed. I'm happy. I'm very happy. So guys, it's just a short video. I just wanted to show you the actual, because I know you guys were with me when I converted the printer. So I just wanted to show you the first time sublimating that I have done. And not bad for the first time. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me for more. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be doing a whole lot more with sublimating. I'm actually gonna try to do some mugs and some tumblers and stuff like that. So just waiting on you know, the press and stuff like that, and some wraps. So just follow me, stay with me, like and subscribe. And I'm pretty sure everything that I have that I use in this video is all going to be down in the description. So guys, to the next one, love you all. Peace.